k power 6 is equals to 2 power 6. So here, what is the value of k? Solution. Let us write k power 6 and 2 power 6 in form of squares, like 2 power square. So k power 6 is the same as k power 3 to power 2. Because if you multiply 3 and 2, you get 6. So this is equals to also 2 power 3 to power 2. Now let us take this on the other side. So we shall have k power 3 power 2 minus 2 power 3 power 2 being equals to 0. Now we know that a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b into a minus b, right? So this is also a difference of two squares. This is where a is equals to k power 3 and b is equals to 2 power 3. So substituting this in this here, so this will become a plus b, which will be k power 3 plus 2 power 3 into a minus b, k power 3 minus 2 power 3. This is equals to 0. Now we have two solutions, this and this. This is equals to 0 and this is equals to 0. Kindly, before you continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'm requesting you to do so. It's completely free of charge. Thank you so much. So we've said we have two solutions, this and this. So let's start with this one here. K cubed plus 2 cubed is equals to 0. Now, we know that a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, writing this in this form, so k to power 3 plus 2 power 3 will be equals to k plus 2 into k squared minus k2 or 2k plus 4. 2 squared is 4. This is equals to 0. So now also here we have two solutions. We have this is equals to 0 and this is equals to 0. So for this one, k plus 2 is equals to 0. So k will be equals to negative 2. So this is k1. For this one here, shall be k squared minus 2k plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which we can solve using the quadratic formula. So using the quadratic formula, k will be equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So k is equals to minus b is negative 2, so minus into negative 2 plus or minus negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4, over 2 times a, which is 1. Okay? Therefore, k is equals to, this becomes positive 2 plus or minus into negative 2 squared is 4. Then 4 times 1 times 4 is 16, so minus 16 over 2 times 1, which is 2. K is equals to 2 plus or minus root 4 minus 16 is minus 12 over 2. K will be equals to 2 plus or minus, so negative 12 can be expressed as 4 times 3 times negative 1 over 2. So k is equals to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, square root of 3 is root 3, square root of negative 1 is I over 2. So also here we have two solutions. So the other one was k1. So we shall have k2 and 3 will be equals to this divide by 2 and also this divide by 2. So we shall be left with 1 plus or minus root 3i. Two solutions here, imaginary solutions. Now remember, initially we had two solutions. We had k power 3 plus 2 power 3 is equals to 0 and k power 3 minus 2 power 3 is equals to 0. So far we've handled k power 3 plus 2 power 3. So the next is k power 3 minus 2 power 3 is equals to 0. Now say from a cubed minus b cubed, this is equals to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So expressing this in this form, we shall have k minus 2 into k squared plus k2 or 2k plus 2 squared is 4. This is equals to 0. And in this case, now we also have two solutions. This is equals to 0 and this is equals to 0. So for this one, k minus 2 is equals to 0. K will be equals to 2. Now here, this was k2 and 3, so this is k4 is equals to 2. So for this second one, k squared plus 2k plus 4 is equals to 0. As you realize, it's a quadratic equation which you can solve using the quadratic formula. So k will be equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So k is equals to minus b is 2, positive 2, so minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 4, over 2 times a, which is 1. So k is equals to minus 2 plus or minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 1 times 4 is 16, so minus 16 over 2. And therefore k is equals to minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16 is minus 12 over 2. K will be equals to minus 2 plus or minus 12 can be expressed as 4 times 3 times negative 1. This over 2. So k is equals to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 is 2. Then root of 3, root of negative 1 is I over 2. So this cancels with a 2. Since the 2 is here and here, it's divisible by this. So k is equals to negative 1 plus or minus root 3i. Now the other one was k4. So this is k5 and 6. So those are our values of k. So the solutions of k are, so k1 was negative 2, k2 is equals to 1 plus root 3i, k3 is equals to 1 minus root 3i, k4 is equals to 2, k5 is equals to negative 1 plus root 3i, and k6 is equals to negative 1 minus root 3i. So these are the possible values of k. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. It's completely free. Subscribe, it helps push the videos further. Also like this video if you enjoyed it by giving it a thumbs up. Like, comment and share with your friends so that they also get to experience the wonderfulness of math, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.